Hi guys, we're here in Maui Beach. See, I'm just vlogging now. I'm here in the, it's here in Lahaina. We're here in the amazing, paradising, extra amazing. We're here in beach now. See, I'm enjoying walking here. And also, everything is clear. See, and everything is clean. See, how's the beach of Maui? You will appreciate all the things. Every details is clear. Pag kayo mismo yung andito guys, mas lalo na siyang ma-appreciate kasi iba talaga yung itsura niya sa personal. Sobrang ma-appreciate niyo siya. Yeah. Tapos apakalinis. Dito public lang to. Anyone can go here. Pwede silang mag-swimming basta wag lang magkalat. Tapos kung may dadalhin man kayong mga gamit, syempre kailangan yung itapon yung mga basura nyo. So ganito siya kaganda. Kaya napapangalagaan nila yung mga beaches nila dito. Mga beach nila. See? Napakaganda. How beautiful Maui is it? Yeah, ang ganda. Napakaganda ng Maui. Super ganda. This is my stress reliever place. Maui is so beautiful. Apakalinis ng tubig guys. See, apaka-clear. See kung gaano siya, how clear the beach is. See? My God. This is so amazing. It's amazing. Powerful amazing. Ang lakas ng alon. Ang lakas ng alon. Wow. So ganito siya kaganda guys. Itong area na to, itong place na to, doon sa bandang doon, sa may dulo doon paliko, doon malolocate yung Lahaina. Yung nasunog siya before, anong taon ba yon? 2024 or 2023? Ngayon under under reconstruction ba or anong tawag doon ba? Parang binubuhay nila ulit yung islands, place na yon. Super ganda. Mabalik na tayo dun sa area natin kasi my brother is waiting for me there with my sister-in-law and my niece Asho. See? How the beautiful islands of Maui. So, and here at the back you will see the mountain view. So ma-amaze kayo talaga. Ayan, napakaganda. So we're going back there. Nag-impake na sila ng mga gamit nila. Ayun, medyo naglalaro pa ata si Asher doon. Ayaw pong umuwi. See? Doon sa part na yun may naliligo doon. Yun, tapos nandoon merong doon. Kayaking ba tawag doon? Tapos may boat doon, parang snorkeling. Napakaganda. Tapos along the highway lang to guys. See? Along the highway lang. So kahit mag-park ka lang dito, gusto mong mag-beach, pwede. Basta malinis ka lang at hindi ka magkakalat. Kasi lahat to kasi isinalagaan nila. So yun lang guys, very short vlog. just to update you because this is my last day. Tomorrow, I will go back to Philippines. Then on October, I will go back to Doha, Qatar. So back to reality, I need to work again. So next year, meron na namang pambakasyon si Nurse Carlo. So, sa mga hindi ko pa subscriber dyan, don't forget, likes all my video, subscribe my channel, and hit my notification bell para lagi kayong update sa mga vlog ni Nurse Carlo. Let's enjoy the sceneries. Bye!